Another new Toyota Aristo 2JZ GTE brought to you by TaninJDM. Let's do a full walk around here. This is our newest one. Beautiful pearl white, 16-inch sleeper wheels, if you will. Very basic. This one's got the nice tan cloth interior. Two keys. Take a look at the engine. This one's actually the snow edition, so it has rear fog lights, which is not common on these. A few blemishes that could obviously be fixed and repainted, but overall, very nice car. Hood struts even work. And here's the snow version. Take a look underneath. But very clean, not a lot of rust and corrosion. This one's for sale, under 10 grand with a US title. About 125,000 miles. Drives great.